one beer, please. Sir, please, sir, one beer. Sir, Sir, here.
Hello.
Please take the money.
Brother.
Hello.
Please, sir.
Yeah, one brandy.
Sir.
Only one bottle.
Please, sir, here.
Move back,
Sir,
man.
just
Stop pushing me. Hey, don't
Take it.
push me. Hey, you.
Hey,
Hey, move.
stop it. 5 lakh rupees. Did you lose anything else in the house? The lock also was not broken. Sir, don't worry about anything. Just give me a couple of days' time. I will inquire and call you in the evening. Thank you, sir. They didn't break the lock. Nothing else was missing in the house. Constable,
Yes, madam.
didn't we get a case which was very similar to this?
Yes, ma'am. The medical shop owner. He also have given the same complaint yesterday, madam.
1, 2, 3.
Exactly, madam.
That's like it. You people continue.
Hey, one whiskey. Hey, one brandy. Hey, whiskey. Only one brandy, please. Please, sir.
for
Hey, hey, don't push, man. Hey, one brandy. Hey, go back.
Hey, where's your house?
Sir, that green door, sir.
Okay, come, let's go.
Sir, please, sir. Sir, you stay here, sir. I will get that box, sir. Please, sir. Sir, if you come with me, then people surrounding
Hey,
will say something,
what
sir. Sir, please,
respect
sir.
do you have
Sir,
here?
please, sir.
Huh?
Sir, don't come, sir. Sir, please, I beg you, sir. Sir, I'll bring it, sir. Please believe me, sir. Sir, I'll come, sir. Please, please believe me, sir.
Okay, go. I'll give you only 10 minutes. Come back soon.
Okay.
Hey, wait!
Sir?
Hey, you go and get it. I was talking to him.
Sir, it's a 1 crore box. Brother is going alone. You can see. I should also go.
Hi there. How are you?
Fine. I'm absolutely fine, madam.
If you get 5 lakh rupees in your hands, obviously you'll be good.
5 lakh rupees? What 5 lakh rupees?
Madam, his acting is really good, madam.
You bloody thief. You know how to act, is it?
Madam, please give some respect, madam. Why are you putting a blame on me, madam?
What the hell are you talking?
Madam. Please don't hit me, madam. Madam, I don't know anything, madam. Madam, please don't hit me.
You want respect, is it? Okay. I will shoot you and then give you some respect.
Hands up.
No, madam, please don't do anything, madam. Please don't shoot me, madam. Madam,
Hey,
please, I have a family,
what you
madam.
don't
Madam,
know?
please don't do. I don't know anything. I don't know. Please don't shoot me, madam.
By the way, there's another guy who was there with you. Where is he?
Right, look.
Idiot.
Good morning, madam.
How are you urinating without opening your zip? You think you can act?
If she's able to see from here that he's not opened the zip, she should be a
Hey.
very good artist.
I heard your mind voice.
You mean to say that my thoughts were so loud, madam?
Come. Come here, I said.
Why did you tell them about me?
Bro, let's go and have some tea. Come, don't worry, they left the place.
Oh, you bloody fool. Come on, let's go.
Don't hit me, madam. Don't hit me, madam. I understand, madam. Don't hit me, madam. Please, madam. Please don't hit me, madam. I understand, madam. I don't know anything, madam. Please, madam.
Don't beat us.
You there.
Innocent, madam.
So, you are the other culprit. Am I right?
Yes, madam. You are right, madam.
Constable, he's culprit 1, he's culprit 2.
Just tell me, madam. I'll kill them here only.
I'll give you the permission. First, let them tell me where the 5 lakh rupees is. They don't say, then you take it.
No, please.
I don't have any other work today. So I thought I will play a small game with you guys today.
Madam, it's too hot outside. We can play carrom board
No,
inside.
I think cards are better.
No,
You know,
carrom
rummy
board.
or
Hey, carrom board
Yeah,
only.
that's
Hey.
better.
Constable, shall we give them a very different treatment now?
We should first apply some oil on their body, then heat up some water.
I think Thai massage is better, so that will be very good for body. Very cool.
How about a couple of drinks and some biryani?
Fantastic combination, madam.
Oh, you are liking
No,
the
combination cancel.
is it?
Combination cancel. Please don't hit me, madam. Please don't hit
How
me.
many times are you gonna make me beat you?
No.
Madam, inspector is calling you.
Looks like even he's jobless today. Constable, give me some water. Sir, tell me,
Do you know whose house you robbed?
Because of dull light, we couldn't see anything, sir.
He is the inspector of this town. Your chapter will be finally closed today.
Theft at the inspector's house itself.
I have placed order for the ice, sir. We'll be getting the amount soon.
Madam has ordered ice.
I'll give you a call within 1 hour's time. Thank you, sir.
Madam, anyway, we given order for the ice, madam. We don't require cup ice, madam. Only ice candy is better. That will be really tasty, madam.
You want ice candy?
Yes, madam. Each of us too.
Constable,
No need. Madam, I will give. Madam, I will give.
where's the money, man?
It's in Pondicherry, madam.
What? Pondicherry?
Hello, sir.
Who's this man who looks like a shaved rooster?
Boss, he has a small problem, boss. He stays in another town. He's a medical shop owner.
Medical shop owner.
Yes, boss.
What has he got to? This is this sort of a theater, and in front of that, if you put a medical shop, you'll get a good business. I noticed you the moment you walked in. Morning show adult movie poster, you were drooling over it. What is the matter?
Boss, the guys who worked in his shop robbed him.
Stole his wife or what?
On my locker, sir.
Oh my god, you should be careful about both of them. They can escape from you anytime. But then you should have gone to the police station, right?
Yeah, I've given a complaint in the police station. But again, police is also actually under your control, right? That is why I thought of meeting you and going. And sir, for people like these fellows, you are the right person to deal with. You somehow get them and you deal with them in your way, sir.
Do you have any photo with you?
Oh yeah, definitely, sir. Yeah,
Please
take
give
it
it
sir.
to him.
Okay, sir. Yeah, here it is.
Hey, which reel is running right now?
Third one, boss.
In which plot are you placing that?
The fourth one.
Do you want to watch and go?
No, sir.
Because it's time for the movie to get over, and if you happen to lose your purse and all, you're not going to get it again, So then you start off, dude.
Okay.
What a shameful thing have you done? Oh my god, how am I supposed to manage all this? You could have just committed suicide instead of eloping with that guy. Your brother will be coming here with his men in search of you. My hands and legs won't move thinking about that. Oh god, why? Did you find a better person to fall in love? That guy? That guy? Let him come. I'm gonna give it to him good.
What, man? The bundle looks a little small.
That, madam, we were going from one place to another, no? 20 beer bottles, 5 biryani packets, hotel room, and then to buy some condoms also. After all these expenses, 4,60,000 is there. Balance payment I will do in installments, madam.
You look like a player, man.
Madam.
Looks like you remember a lot of things.
Thanks, madam.
Every day come to the station at 6 in the morning.
Okay, madam.
Station toilet will have to be cleaned very properly.
Toilet cleaning?
What? You won't do it, is it?
Sure, madam. I will do it.
Keep him for company. He will entertain you.
Yeah, sure, madam.
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
Why are you so quiet, man?
You always speak truth. Speak truth alone, madam.
Constable.
No need, madam.
Alright, get into the jeep. Constable.
Okay, madam.
Stealing money and buying condoms for that stupid fellow. I'm sure you would have finished one box itself.
Sir, your phone is ringing. Pick it up.
Hey, don't take that. My wife only might be calling.
Sir, the SI is calling you. Please pick up the phone and speak to her.
Oh, is it the SI? Hello, yes, tell me. He said, are you sure about it? You got it? Okay. You are my good girl. Hey, I got the money.
Oh, wow, you got the money, sir. Then we should go to the station, I guess.
No. Not to the station.
Then where do we go, sir?
Well, let's go to my mistress' house.
Oh, sir.
Come on, man. Sweetheart. Oh, my sweet.
Please listen to me, baby. I'm very scared right now. Sir has come home.
it. Who are you scared of?
Sir, baby.
What happened to baby?
Baby got inside the room and locked the door.
Baby has locked the door.
Baby.
Hey, just shut up. Baby. Here your papa has come. Just open the door. I was traveling with the governor for the last 2 days.
It's open. Come inside.
Hi, sweetheart. Here I am. I've come to you. Oh, my little piglet. Oh, my little bun. Oh, baby bun. Why is my baby bun crying? Why are there tears in her eyes?
Get out of here.
Oh, why?
You can only sit there and talk. You come here only when you have some work. You're such a...
you're only for that. I need only you for
You
that.
actually care about only your wife.
What happened, my little piglet?
Once you get money, you come and keep it here. When your work is over, and take it and give it to your
Oh,
wife.
sweetheart, what did I keep and what did I take and go? You just be clear, no?
What? What a wonderful acting. I have never seen anybody acting like you in my entire life. Just because you had to give me 5 lakhs rupees. I took back the next day.
Hey, you only took it and kept it in the locker, right?
Then where is the money from the locker?
What? Money missing?
Hey,
Yes, madam.
what? What's your problem?
I thought I should not block your view, madam.
Just be quiet and stay at home. If anything goes wrong in this particular district, then you too will be hanged first.
Ma'am is telling you.
Keep the money ready and give it to your owner. Get back to your jobs.
Okay, madam.
Thank you, madam.
Madam.
Sir, I'm in town. Tell me where to come.
5 lakhs rupees is missing, dear.
But we already found it, sir.
But it went missing again.
No, sir. It's there with me.
Not the one that you have, but the money that I had.
This is the money that you had lost, and I got it for you. Money is there with me, sir.
Oh my God, the money that you got is with you. But the other lady's my...
I'm a little confused, sir. What is the relation between her and us, sir?
My mistress may not be related to you, but she is related to me.
What are you talking, sir? I'm not able to understand.
That I don't know. The money is missing.
That's what even I'm telling you, sir. 5 lakh rupees went missing, and we already found it. Logic is right, sir.
Do you have anything in your head or what? That 5 lakhs is different, this 5 lakhs is different. That went from a different house, this went from a different house. That's all I have got to say.
Oh, now I can understand, sir.
Thank God, she understood.
But I didn't get one thing, sir. Got it.
Tell me the truth. Did you understand or not?
Understood, sir. Now I can understand it clearly. By the way, how did the money go missing?
Oh my God, she is starting from all over the beginning again. How did that 5 lakh go missing? The same way this 5 lakh also went missing. The lock of the house was not disturbed at all. But still the money is missing from my house.
Okay, sir. I understood. You hang up, sir. I'll take care of it.